A newly married Irish couple have been caught up in wildfires that have been sweeping Greece. Zoe Holohan and Brian O'Callaghan Westrop became separated as they tried to escape the fires in the coastal town of Meath. The pair got married at Clonabreany House in Kells, Company Meath, last Thursday before flying out to Greece for their honeymoon on Saturday. Ms. Holohan, who works in advertising for the Sunday World, is in hospital after suffering burns to her head and hands. Her husband has not yet been found. The couple, who live in Dublin, were traveling in a vehicle when they were forced to flee. Ms. Holohan was able to escape to a nearby beach and was admitted to hospital on Tuesday night. The Department of Foreign Affairs said it is providing consular assistance to a number of Irish people who have been caught up in the fires but would not give details about specific incidents. Around 80 people have died in the forest fires which have raged through Greek villages and holiday resorts.Blazes started west of Athens near the town of Kineta, while further outbreaks started 18 miles east of Athens in Rafina. Hundreds of people ran to beaches as gale-force winds fanned the flames.Twenty-six of the deaths were groups of families or friends who were found huddled together as they tried to escape. Foreign Affairs Minister Simon Coveney issued advice for Irish citizens. He tweeted, "Irish citizens in region should keep up to date with local media and follow advice of Greek authorities in affected areas." Irish citizens affected can contact Irish Embassy in Athens +30 210 723 2771 or my department +353 1408 2000. President Michael D Higgins said he has written to Greek President Prokopis Pavlopoulos to express his sympathies with the families of those who have lost their lives and livelihoods in the fires.